Hello everyone, welcome back a new video. In this video I'll show you how to hide listing owner contact information for non-logged in user. Before move on the main tutorial, let's check the present status of listing owner contact information. So visit the website and open any listing. I want to open it. Just click on this listing. From right side sidebar you can see listing owner informations are showing. Although I am a non-logged in user, but these informations are showing. Right now I want to hide this contact information for the non-logged in user. So log in the website, give your information and log in the website. Then hover over on classified listings, click on settings. This is the settings panel. Now navigate to the moderation tab, click on it. Just scroll down, then you can see registered users only, listing seller information, store contact information. So I want to enable it, so click on this check box and check this box, then scroll down and save changes. Then again visit the website, open up this listing. These informations are showing. That's why now I am a logged in user. Okay, so I have to check this listing as a non-logged in user. So copy this listing URL and open up with another browser. I want to open it incognito mode. Okay, from the right side you can see seller information, listing owner name, and please log in to visit the seller information. So now the non-logged in user will not be able to see the listing owner contact information. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.